Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up timers in application timer in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for application timers, how to set them up and how to check our timers. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our digital well-beings, and here we have our application timers. So what does it do? We have short explanation here. If you're using certain apps more than you'd like, set a timer to help you manage its usage. So when we go here, we have a few applications that have been used. For example, as you can see, settings, clock. We've been using them today for a short time. So how to set a timer? We have this little hourglass, so set it here, and let's say we want 2 hours, and done. And as you can see, our YouTube timer has been set up. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.